Wireless Qi charging delivers up to 10 W of fast charging power for your phone or other compatible device. Stay charged. Place your phone or any compatible device on the ROG logo at the base of the stand for efficient wireless charging with an LED charging status indicator. Also features a 2-port USB 3.1 hub for ultrafast connectivity cable-based charging. Enhanced audio experience. Built-in S9118 DAC amplifier with Armoury II software deliver detailed, dynamic audio from your favorite game's music. Apply 7.1 virtual surround sound setting, create audio profiles for different genres of games more. Secure storage. Optimized ARC design with anti-slip rubber pad provides a stable platform for the headset, protecting it against shakes bumps. Its large surface area evenly distributes the headset weight, prevents deformation of the headband cushion. Light up your battlefield. With customizable 18-zone Aura Sync RGB lighting from an endless color spectrum, plus 6 preset lighting effects, illuminate the stand and other Aura-enabled ROG gear to create a vibrant gaming environment that is uniquely yours. Top reviews from the United States. So much more than just a headset stand. As long as you can pay the price and are investing into the ecosystem, it does feel worth it. I would just make sure that you plug the USB cable into a 3.0 capable port on your motherboard so you can take advantage of the dual USB-A port on the stand. You can also use the RGB and aux input without connecting the power plug for the wireless charging on this device, so in case you don't want use, you can do that as well. This pairs well with wireless charging devices.